Hey you guys, I'm back. My food is done. This is my cornbread. Okay. All buttered up. And here is my beans. It got the meat all in them. Look at that big, ooh, that meat just coming off the bone, y'all. Ooh. Look at that, coming off the bone. Look at that gravy on here. That's come from that chili powder, you guys. How it makes its gravy. So this is ready to go. Okay. So I just come in to let you know that my dinner is done for today and leftovers for tomorrow. So I would not have to cook, just focus on getting ready for work. Okay, you guys? And my cornbread over here. So, you guys, I thank you all for watching. I don't know what I'm going to have for dessert. I know that cheesecake that I got. If you want to see that cheesecake, go on my video that I posted yesterday, which is Friday, and you will see it. It is so yummy and rich. Okay. I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video. Bye-bye now.